Mirror, mirror on the wall, why is my right hand on the right side? Hi, I'm Dave Dooling, and in this session of Virtual Rocketeer Academy, we will look at the angles of incidence and reflection and how to get the right image from a mirror. You'll need these items: 3 flat mirrors, file folders or a cardboard box, double-sided and regular tape, scissors, ruler, pencil, an LED flashlight. The angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. That's a basic law of optics, one you may have heard. Let's explore it with some small mirrors. Use one of the gazillion delivery boxes left from the holidays to mount the mirrors. Or make your own corner. Use the ruler to find the center of the manila folder and then use the mirrors to draw a square pattern. Cut the square out and then make one cut halfway to the center. Score and fold along the 3 lines and tape so you have a nice 90-degree corner. Apply tape to the back of one mirror and stick it in the corner. Use a bit of tape to secure the corner to the table so the mirror's weight doesn't tip it over. Use scrap from the folder to make a slit mask that you can fold over the flashlight. Turn out the lights in the room so you can see better. Turn on the flashlight and you get a slit of light coming out. Shine the light onto the mirror and you will see that the reflected light has the same angle going out as going in. Shift angles. It's the same story. The angle of reflection will always equal the angle of incidence. Now tape a second mirror into the corner. Shine the light again. Notice that the light is headed back in the same direction it entered, no matter how you shift the light. Look into the mirrors and you will see yourself the right way, not mirror image. That's because a mirror image of a mirror image is right. You may have seen this in store windows that meet at right angles or in a fitting room. We can even make this 3-dimensional. Tape a third mirror into the corner. Now look into it and you will see your eye at the center no matter how you rotate the corner. Set the corner on one side of the room and shine the flashlight at it. No matter how the corner is oriented, the light shines back at you. Surveyors use this to reflect laser beams back to the operator when measuring distances. We even have retro reflectors like this on the moon so scientists can measure the distance to the moon with great precision and measure how fast the moon is receding from Earth. Corner reflectors make small boats and channel buoys more visible on everyone's radar. The reverse is used on modern combat aircraft and warships. Eliminating right angles reflects the signal on a different path so the target is harder to detect. That gives us designs that sometimes look like century-old cubist art. But the weird angles greatly increase the chances of living to fight another day. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for a later episode where I will show how the laws of reflection put you at the center of the universe, or bring the universe down to Earth.